Moisturizing hair care. Our leave-in conditioner restores strength and luster to damaged and abused hair while detangling for easy comb-out and styling. Our high-quality conditioner helps to leave your curls feeling soft, bouncy and defined. Deep condition. GIOVANNI leave-in conditioner uses a rich blend of ingredients that protect hair as you go through the day, creating a texture that feels thicker. Infusing each strand with hydration, watch your hair transform into a beautiful style. Color safe. GIOVANNI Direct Leave-In Weightless Moisture Conditioner is 100% color safe, and nourishes hair with a proprietary blend of vitamins and antioxidants without stripping color. Vegan-friendly, cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products use a number of organic ingredients and are Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. GIOVANNI products are never tested on animals and come in sophisticated recyclable packaging. Eco-chic. GIOVANNI has been bridging the gap between natural and salon-quality hair care since 1979. We strive to use the very best ingredients and are always focused on high performance. Top reviews from the United States. Curly Girl Holy Grail product. I've used this for years with Eco Styler. It's my go-to leave-in conditioner.